Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tzatziki sauce, the only way to achieve that perfect, creamy, and refreshing dip. First, let's prepare our cucumber. Grate one large English cucumber or two smaller ones, and then the crucial step, squeeze out all the excess water using a clean kitchen towel. This ensures your Tzatziki won't be watery and will have that rich, thick consistency we all love. It's a small effort that makes a huge difference. Next, we build the creamy base. You'll need 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt. Its thickness is essential for the right texture. Then, mince 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic very finely to infuse that signature pungent flavor. Combine the drained cucumber, the rich Greek yogurt, and the aromatic minced garlic in a bowl. Stir everything together gently, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated for a harmonious blend. Now, let's add the vibrant fresh herbs and perfect seasoning. Stir in 2 generous tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. This herb is non-negotiable for authentic Tzatziki. Follow that with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors and add a zesty kick. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste preferences for a balanced profile. The final, yet vital step is to chill your Tzatziki. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. This resting period allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more complex and satisfying taste. Serve your perfectly crafted homemade Tzatziki with grilled meats, fresh vegetables, or warm pita, bread for an unforgettable culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.